Welcome to the third law that the President has centered on our court helicopter explainer. That is the Air Passenger Service Charge Amendment Act 2025. This is a law that deals with air ticketing. Anytime somebody wants to travel by plane, he or she must buy an air ticket. The cost of the air ticket is going to go up. The reasons have been given in this act, that the law has been amended to bring on board many stakeholders. That is, according to this law, it says the objective of this bill is to amend the air passenger service charge to provide for allocation of proceeds derived from air passenger services to the Tourism Fund, Kenya Meteorological Services Authority, Kenya Airports Authority, and Kenya Civil Aviation Authority. This money will now go to the Tourism Promotional Fund for the tourism to grow. What does the law talk about it? This is Section 1, that is Section 3 of Cap 475, which is intended to amend. Subject to this act, there shall be paid by every person who purchases a ticket for an external or an internal journey an air passenger service charge of A, 50 United States dollars, or the equivalent in specified currency or in Kenyan Shillings for an external journey. If you are going to travel outside Kenya, you'll be required to pay an extra $50. This is for people traveling anywhere out of the country. This is now by law. What about those ones traveling to Mombasa, traveling to Malindi, traveling to Diani, traveling to Kisumu, traveling to Tabaka airstrip, traveling to Samburu? What does the law say? The law says you will be required to pay an extra 600 shillings for an internal journey. So on top of the air ticket that you are traveling, on Christmas, make sure you have an extra 600 shillings. On Easter, make sure you have an extra 600 shillings on top of the air ticket that you are going to purchase. Where will this money go? All this money that is going to be imposed will be sent to the Tourism Promotional Fund in such a manner as the minister shall provide. So the import of this law is to promote tourism. The import of this law is to promote also raise money for government to run tourism and meteorological department and other services. That now is the law. It is aimed at improving the welfare of tourism in this country. Wakili Danstan Omari on the law about the airport and air ticket charges as it has been amended by the President of the Republic of Kenya.